guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia, and you guys know me like this. But I want to get a little bit serious with you guys for a minute, because to put together all these videos, it really takes a lot. It truly is a labor of love, and I love doing it, and we have so much fun. But I do have a full crew. What you can't see here is we've got 4 cameras. I've got 4 crew members here. We have editing, we have food that we have to get it all, craft services. All of this comes out of my pocket. I'm not sponsored by anybody. The reason that I'm telling you this is because a lot of times you guys ask me, what can you do to help me? Well, I have a new project coming up. And in this new project, although it's not going to be about balloons, it's not going to be this. Instead, it's gonna be. So here I am. This is me, just me, without the costume, without the balloon hat, just Sandy. And you know what, guys? I'm just like a lot of you. I've gone through a divorce a couple of years ago that changed my world, you know? I mean, literally. And left me not knowing who I was. And I know that as women especially, you know, when things change in our world, a lot of times we've been so busy trying to be everything for everybody else that we lose ourselves. And so I'm producing a new show called Shape Up Sandi, and I need your help. And I'm so excited to bring it to you because in this show, it's a lighthearted, humorous transformation journey where I'm trying out different activities, which honestly, most of the time I kind of suck at because I'm not very coordinated. I'm trying to learn how to cook healthy foods, and I don't cook. Actually, I'm scared of knives. I'm learning how to get past these blocks. I'm talking to mindset and motivation experts and beauty and style experts because, let's face it, our life doesn't start when we get to our goal size. Our life is now. And to do this, I need your help. You're gonna be seeing soon a fundraising video. I don't know what platform yet. And I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you would donate something to it. No amount is too large or too small to help me realize my dream of producing this show, Shape Up Sandi. But wait, let's talk about what's in it for you. Because even though I'm the one that gets to do these activities and stuff, my goal for this show is to inspire and entertain you. What I really want is to help you come along with me and try new things. That's the biggest thing, is to get out of your comfort zone. Some of the things that I've been trying over the past 2 years, I loved. And some of them, not so much. Some of them I don't know that I'm gonna do again. And some of them I could really see making a part of my regular routine. That's what I want for you guys too, because I know, especially as women, you know, when things change in our lives, when our kids leave our nest, when we get divorced, even when we change jobs, sometimes we find that we have been so busy being what everybody else wanted us to be that we forget who we are. And so besides trying to transform my body and lose weight, I also am trying to just discover, what do I like doing? What's fun for me? Who am I? What's my best healthy lifestyle? And I want you guys to discover that too. Come on, let's go see Shape Up Sandi. So exciting, yay!